Are you tired of confusing affiliate programs that waste your time and energy building everything from scratch? Imagine launching a full affiliate system in minutes where tracking clicks, payouts, and stats happens automatically. Fluent Affiliate makes it simple to manage affiliates, set commission types, and monitor performance in real time. You get a dashboard for both you and your affiliates so everyone knows what's happening without constant back and forth. Want different commission rates for certain products or groups? Fluent Affiliate handles flat, recurring, or percentage rules with ease. Launching the program, approving affiliates, generating unique refer links. It all works smoothly for beginners and pros. Best part, integrations with e-commerce tools, LMSs, and membership plugins make your setup feel like it was built just for you. You control everything. No outsourcing, no confusing middlemen. Just clean ownership of your affiliate strategy. Support is ready whenever you need help. And updates keep bringing new features that actually matter. If you want your affiliate program to work, be fair, and grow without headaches, this might be the tool you've been looking for. Click the link in the description now and find out more about Fluent Affiliate. Start making affiliate marketing easier today.